Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer data from PC to iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, try transferring files with iTunes. iTunes is Apple's official data management tool. Here I will take transferring music for example. Simply go to the device management page from the mobile icon at top left corner, scroll down and turn on manually manage music and videos. Once done, save the settings and go to music in the list on my device tab. Inside it, open the folder from your PC and drag the music files you want to transfer. On the top, you can see that it's copying the selected files. Once it's done, you will be good to go. If you don't want to go through some program to transfer, then you can try iCloud. Simply go to iCloud.com on the preferred browser, sign into your Apple ID, and you will be redirected to this web page. Here you can see different types of icons. If you would like to transfer photos, click on the Photos feature and then drag and drop the target files over iCloud. Then you'll see that it's uploading the files. Note that the free version of iCloud gives you 5 GB. So as long as your photos and your videos are below 5 GB, you'll be able to take advantage of this. As you can see, I don't have free storage on my iCloud. That's why it isn't uploading more files. So that's basically how you can transfer data from PC to iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.